The next thing is if I just scroll down here, this is my title, my description of my title of the film, I should say, and you can see there that what I've got is quite a good English title: North Korea documentary, secret filming, country in ruins, little left to see in North Korea. Now if you look at that, there's North Korea there, North Korea is in there twice. That helps. Now you mustn't spam this, you mustn't just like North Korea, North Korea, North Korea, or buy my diet pills, buy my diet pills, buy my diet pills, but it makes perfect sense that the most important thing, the absolute most important thing, is North Korea documentary. That's the keyword right at the beginning there, right in the title. I've got that in the title, and it's the first few words. The first few words of your title are of the most importance. And I see people doing titles that bear, it might be a joke or a pun or whatever. That works for newspaper headlines when people have bought the newspaper. It doesn't work for films. People search, and those first few words are not only important to people searching, but they tell YouTube a massive amount about your film straight away. So I've got North Korea in the raw file, and I've got it in the title there, and I've actually got some other keywords there that I want it to appear for: secret filming, little left to see, and so on. And I've got North Korea in there again. That's the main reason why I appear top for North Korea documentary, and by doing that I can achieve first or second page of YouTube search for any words that I want within an hour. It's as simple as that. You have to follow the other rules as well that I'm going to show you, but it certainly makes a heck of a difference and can get you listed there straight away. And if I'd done secret filming, country in ruins, little left to see in North Korea, just done that, I wouldn't appear for documentary, it wouldn't appear for North Korea documentary. I might appear for secret filming, but believe me, on YouTube there's a lot of films about secret filming. Let me stress it again, whatever your most important keywords are, 2 or 3 or 4, 3 is about right, make sure you get them in first. And if it's possible to make a headline that makes sense and put the keywords in twice, do so. And a great way to do that is to say, in my case, North Korea documentary, then a colon, and then the sort of subhead about that. That's headlines. Remember, that is very, very important, but also, titles, but also is very relevant up here to the title of your film before you upload it.